Hello everyone. Today I am going to merge the menu system that I have implemented with the map system. So here, this is the main menu. We have usual these graphic settings, audio, video, control settings. Everything is working. And if I go to the game, I have the minimap also. See, in the minimap you can see the enemies, and also if you press M, you can open the main map. By clicking anywhere else, you can add a custom marker into the world, a custom waypoint, and if you press escape in the bait game or P in the editor, you can get the pause menu, which has all these settings again. If I change this to low quality, you can see the shadow is lost, mainly the quality is lost, so the things are working. Let me put it back to high quality, epic. Just like that, these display settings, audio, gameplay, controls, everything is there. And if I press main menu, I can go to the main menu again, and here I can go back. So right, so this is what I'm going to do today, merging two templates that I have worked on, the maps and the menu system. Let's see how to do that today. Hello everyone. So if you remember, I recently worked on this minimap and map system, which allows player to open the map and view the enemies and other important stuff like waypoints, and also the minimap. I will show the demonstration in a bit. And also I worked on this menu system, which has this all the pause menu, gameplay menu, audio menu, graphics menu, everything, and main menu and pause menu, so all these things. So I'm going to put together those two projects and merge them into a single project, so you guys also can get the project and maybe perhaps use them in your projects. Alright, so let me first show. Here I have opened both projects. This is the minimap and the map system. You can see those checkpoints, low important points like this home icon, and some other checkpoints, and you can see them in the minimap as well, and the enemies also. If you press M, you can open the map as well. So by clicking, you can add some custom waypoint, and that will appear. See, that appears in the game world also. So this is the map system demonstration. So let me show you the menu system. This is the menu system. We have game menu, settings menu, and exit. So in the settings, you can see usual stuff: graphics, display, audio, so gameplay, controls. You can customize these things also. So yeah, and if I go back, go to game and new game, you can open the game, and here this is the playable demo. And if you press P or escape in the build, you can get the pause menu. Here also we have the same things: graphics, audio, gameplay, controls, everything just like in the main menu. So I want to put these two systems into single project. So how can we do that? So if you first take a look at the blueprints that we have used in the map system, this is all we have. We have these few blueprint interfaces and a HUD and player controller and some widgets. So Let me rename this as map system. Okay, and fix up redirectors. Hopefully everything should be working. None of them should have broken any references. Yeah, everything is working like before. Okay, and let's also take a look at the menu system. Here also we have game instance, and what is this? This is main menu blueprint class, right? Oh sorry, this is also game mode. This is game instance, and this is a player controller. So to avoid confusions, here I'll rename menu system. Oh, project settings. Let's play and see if everything is working still. Seems it does. Okay, yeah, everything is working. Oh, one issue. Error is coming from here. Game instance. Okay, settings, project settings. Oh yeah, game instance code like me. Now it should work fine. Oh, still errors. Shall we try restarting the project? Still no. Right, to see if what's going wrong here, let's add a print here. Get class. Let's get the class and display the class name. So if this is working correctly, I should get this game instance code like me as the class reference. Oh yeah, I do get it, but oh, these things are working. Okay, so they are working, but still I get the error. Get options. Right, I found the issue. So actually all I had to do is I had this save games, save options, so I had to clear this. After those menu location changes, somehow this has been invalidated. So after clearing it, this will be automatically created. Everything works just fine. See, no more errors. Everything works great. Okay, see, no errors, nothing appears in the message log. Great. So yeah, now we have everything related to menu system in the menu system folder. Now we are ready to migrate some stuff from the other map. One thing I need to check is we have the player character here. Have we done anything? Any changes? Have we made any changes to the character? We haven't. Great. So that means we can, yeah, we can just migrate the other project's map into this project, so we can start merging those two projects. Okay, let's go to the other project, Minimap, and here this is the only map that matters to us. So, and if I migrate this map, it will migrate everything related to the map. That means including the characters and the blueprints, all the blueprints related to the map system. And one confusing thing could be, here I have named player controller code like me, and here I have named code like me player controller. So yeah, a bit inconsistent, but let's fix those names later. First go to migrate, save. I don't think we have to migrate control rig. Characters okay, maps okay, map system okay. Right, then let's go to the menu template, content, migrate. Yeah, this is regarding the character, no problem, overriding it. Right, I guess everything is migrated successfully. Let's see. Let's go to the menu template, and first let's check if the menu system is still working. It is. Great. This is also working. Nothing is broken. Alright. Now let's check this open world. This is where we have the minimap. Oh, here we have some issue with the HUD survival. That's what we are using here. So that could be a problem. Yeah, see. Okay, so this game mode is here. Let me duplicate this game mode maps, and let's use it here. And as the HUD, if I use code like me HUD, and as the player controller, if I use code like me player controller, this should work fine. Great. Yeah, now we have the main minimap, and when I press M, map is not opening. But why these characters don't have animations? Let's take a look at the animation blueprint. event graph. Okay, let's select one of these characters and debug it. Ground speed is updating. Let's simulate instead of plane. Is this the one I have selected? Right, let's simulate. Okay, yeah, animation is not updating for some reason. But the variables are updating. So let's take a look at the anim graph. Locomotion. Where is the here the locomotion? It's in idle. Should move. This should move variable. Where is this set? Okay, alright, this is the case. So I have this in my map project. I have disconnected this and use this as the input for should move. So let's do the same. This allows us to play the animations for NPC characters. Right. Wait, those errors are because I am simulating, not any other issue. Now we should see, yeah, now the characters are moving. Great. But can I see them in the map? Now let's first implement the one issue is here in the third person character. Where is the NPC? We should have a component that allows to have an icon that represents the characters in the map. In the minimap, we have this minimap icon component, but I can't see that here. Why not? Maybe I have to. Do I have the minimap component? Yeah, I do. Alright, so let me close the menu system project and try migrating these characters. npc characters to the other game, other project, menu template, just to all. Okay, migration complete. Let me reopen the project. Okay, now let's see. Right, now it has the minimap icon component. Now let's see. Okay, now they are showing up in the minimap enemy characters, see. But we can't open the map because we don't have the input action to open the minimap here. Where did I implement it? Should be in the player controller. Yeah, here, toggle map. Let's add it. Project settings. Input. Toggle map key M. Why isn't it coming? Toggle map. Oh, sorry, I have added an axis. I should add it to action. M. Now it should work. Great. Okay. Right. Everything is working. If I click, I can add a custom waypoint. Now the next step is merging menu system into this system. Okay, now let me close this stuff and open the HUD. Code like me HUD. Let me rename this to avoid confusion. CLM map HUD. CLM map player controller. HUD and player controller. I think those are the only two things that matters. So in the menu system, let's rename this CLM menu player controller, and HUD is here. This is for main menu. CLM menu HUD. So main menu is fine. This is named survival because I got this from the survival project, but we don't need to change it. Let me put this in the menu system folder. Now we need to have everything in one HUD. Menu HUD. Let's teach this survival part. CLM menu HUD and CLM map HUD. In the map HUD we have some, we don't have any, oh, we have interface events and these codes. So in the menu HUD I have these things. So yeah, the menu HUD seems it has more elements, so I think it would be easier for me if I add the functions that I have implemented in map HUD into the menu HUD. That should be easier. So in the map HUD I have implemented this BPI map, so I have to implement it here also. BPI map. Now we can support the same functions. Here let me add a new event graph. Maps. Can we? So let's copy this BPI map related events, and yeah, we should be able to easily copy those. Toggle map, yeah. Let me copy those things. Or maybe first let me add some comments. Toggle map. I'll do it without recording. Right, now let me copy this and to CLM menu HUD. Let's go to the maps event graph. Okay, now we will have to add the variables map icons. Oh, can we copy those too? Oh, maybe it's just easier to create map icon, widget map. What else? First travel destination. Is that all? We have widget minimap. Let me copy and paste, compile. Okay, no errors. Now let's look into the tick. In the tick we have this. Let me collapse this. To update map parameters, copy, go to HUD, and tick should be in the other event graph. Do we have tick? Yeah, it's actually not used here, so let me delete this. And we can then, since there is tick is not used in the HUD menu, we can directly copy it here. Right, now does this use any parameters, variables? No. Cool. Now the begin play. This is solid dust. Add in minimap widget. That's easy. In the begin play here, let's add a reroute node and collapse it. Add minimap. This is empty now. Paste. Right. Awesome. Okay, now the tick is complete, all the events are complete, and begin play is complete. Now the only remaining thing is, what did we add here? Minimap. Let me create a category maps. To make it more organized. So all the map related variables are under maps category. Now the remaining parts are this interface functions. Can we copy these? It seems we can't. Fast travel. Oh, no, these are already there. Yeah, maybe to make it clear, we should add category. Maps. Yeah, great. We have fast travel, set fast travel destination, deselect 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 events are here. Do we miss anything? 6, all 6 is here. Okay, now compile, save everything here. Now if everything is working, if I change this CLM map HUD into CLM menu HUD, everything should work without any issue, and it is working. There is a slight problem that overlaps the health bar with the minimap, but let's fix it soon. Okay, in the menu system UI, let's see this. Can we move this to easily to the right side? Let's move the progress bars first. Select them all. Left offset is 180. Let's set this like, what if we anchor it to the right side? Okay, minus 180, minus 280 minus 400. That seems alright. Or minus 350. That also will work. Oh, one more thing. Maybe we should fill it right to left and indent it to the right side. So here minus 250. Yeah, this one also minus 250. Now we still need space for this heart and this other icons, so maybe minus 350 minus 350 minus 450. Yeah, then we can move these icons. This should be anchored also here. Minus 250 minus 150 minus 200 minus 175 minus 150. This will work. Similarly, these two anchor to the left. Minus 150 minus 200 minus 175. Okay, that seems fine. Right, now let's see. Yeah, now we have these icons here and the minimap in the left side. Cool. If I press P, now still I can't open up the pause menu. For that I have to merge. Now we can close these. I have to merge this player controller. This is menu player controller. It has one interface event and this any key and input action. Where's the pause? Oh, pause is also here. And from the map system player controller, we have this toggle map, input action, and mouse wheel, these things. Also, this doesn't, it implements BPI PC map. Does this implement anything? BPI player controller. Alright, so this one seems simpler. Let me copy, and here let me add, wait, what's the name here? BPI player controller, which sounds a bit too generic. BPI, yeah, let's use the same pattern like in the map. BPI PC stands for player controller, PC menu. PC menu. Alright, now compile and paste. Oh, this is pasted as a custom event. What's the function name here? Register key change. Quality change. Oh, why? Okay. Create widget. Alright. Now let's check. When I press P, pause menu appears, and we can see all the menus. We can change the settings. Now you can see shadows and quality is disappeared because I reduced the quality, so everything is working. Let me change it back to high or epic. Right, so things are working. If I press main menu, are you sure? Yes, we are back in the main menu. So now I want to connect. If I press game menu, I will be loading this one, and for some reason its controls are not working. Wait, I got some errors. That's that. Anyway, we want to merge this, use this map. So the map name is open world, and in the main menu where is the main menu? Here. How do we use open level by name? Here we should use open world. We don't use it anywhere else, so cool. Now if I go back to main menu and press game, oh, still we are here. Why is that? And there is also there. Maybe we should add is valid node here. But still, how the game level is open? How did it open? Widget game, new game, open world. Start game. Oh, that one is not connected. Game instance. Game instance is here. Here, open world. This is just hard coded, but you can change it to the name of your game. Let's try now. Map is working. Main menu, game, new game. Okay, we are back in the open world, and and everything is working nicely. Alright, so I think we can stop this episode right here. And thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions to add this menu system, or if you find any bugs, errors, or any other issues, feel free to let me know in the comments. Or if you are in Patreon, you can just chat me in the Discord or send a direct message. And as always, project files will be available here for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.